Mahashivratri, festival dedicated to Lord Shiva. Mahashivratri is a Hindu festival celebrated annually in honor of Lord Shiva. According to Puranas, several stories and legends describe the origin of the Shivratri festival. It is believed to be of the day Lord Shiva got married to goddess Parvati. According to some, Shivratri is celebrated as the day when Lord Shiva saved the world from the pot of poison that emerged from the ocean during Samudra Manthan. Different legends describe the significance of Mahashivratri. According to one legend in the Shaivism tradition, this is a night when Lord Shiva performs the heavenly dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. The chanting of hymns, the reading of Lord Shiva's scriptures, and the chorus of devotees joins this cosmic dance and remembers Lord Shiva's presence everywhere. There is a Shivratri in every lunisolar month of the Hindu calendar on the month's 13th night or 14th day, but once a year in late winter in February or March or Falgun, and before the arrival of summer, observes Mahashivratri, which means the great night of Lord Shiva. Among the 12 Shivratri celebrated in a year, Mahashivratri is the most important one generally celebrated. It is a major festival in Hinduism, and this festival is solemn and marks a remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance in life and the world. It is observed by remembering Lord Shiva and chanting prayers, fasting, and meditating on ethics and virtues such as honesty, non-injury to others, charity, forgiveness, and the discovery of Lord Shiva. The ardent devotees keep awake all night. Others visit one of the Lord Shiva temples or go on pilgrimage to Jyotirlingams. This day is considered to be extremely auspicious, and people who observe the Maha means big fasting on this day are said to get free of all their sins. Lord Shiva wearing a snake represents fearlessness and power. Snakes are always feared for their venom and thus powerful. So Lord Shiva having a snake on his body and neck shows that he would take away all the fears and weaknesses and protects his devotees. During the vigil night of Lord Shiva, Mahashivratri, we are brought to the moment of interval between destruction and regeneration. It symbolizes the night when we must contemplate on what which watches the growth out of the decay. During Mahashivratri, we have to be alone with our sword, the Lord Shiva out of us. We have to look behind and before to see what evil needs get rid from our heart, what growth of virtue we need to encourage. Lord Shiva is not only outside of us but within us. To unite ourselves with the One Self is to recognize the Lord Shiva in us. Mahashivratri is an opportunity and a possibility to bring yourself to that experience of the vast emptiness within every human being, which is the source of all creation. On the one hand, Lord Shiva is known as the destroyer. On the other, he is known as the most compassionate. He is also known to be the greatest of the givers. In this auspicious day, anyone can chant Om and Om Namah Shivaya 11, 21 or 108 times, or as much as you can, as energies are very high during this day. This mantra has the power to bring peace to your life and remove all the negativity from your life. The sound of Om connects you to your inner soul, and the Namah Shivaya connects directly to Lord Shiva, which gives you inner peace and strong mental health. Shivlilamrut is a devotional poem composed by the Marathi poet Sant Sridhar Swami Nazrekar. It has 14 chapters, means adhyay, and 2453 couplets. It also has a 15th chapter, but many are of the opinion that this was added later and not composed by Sridhar Swami. The Shivlilamrut talks about the Rudraksha that can be worn as necklace by worshippers of the Lord Shiva. The Shivlilamrut narrates the greatness of Lord Shiva and how his worshippers can attain moksha. Reading or listening Shivlilamrut Adhyay 1 to 15 during this auspicious day is more beneficial. May Lord Shiva bless all of us with wisdom, prosperity, abundance, good health, and spiritual growth. Happy Mahashivratri to all.